Good men true in this house who dwell, to a stranger Buccal I pray you tell, is the priest at home, or may he be seen? I would speak a word with Father Green. The priest's at home, boy, and may be seen. 'Tis easy speaking with Father Green, but you must wait till I go and see if the Holy Father alone may be. The youth has entered an empty hall. What a lonely sound has his light footfall, and the gloomy chambers chill and bare, with a vested priest in a lonely chair. The youth has knelt to tell his sins. Nomine, the youth begins. At mea culpa he beats his breast, and in broken murmurs he speaks the rest. At the siege of Ross did my father fall, and at Gorey my loving brothers all. I alone am left of my name and race. I will go to Wexford and take their place. I cursed 3 times since last Easter Day. At Mass time once I went to play. I passed the churchyard one day in haste, and forgot to pray for my mother's rest. I bear no hate against living thing, but I love my country above my king. Now, Father, bless me and let me go to die, if God has ordained it so. The priest said naught, but a rustling noise made the youth look up in wild surprise. The robes were off, and in scarlet there sat a yeoman captain with fiery glare, with fiery glare and with fury hoarse. Instead of that young man died, and at passage they have his body laid. Good people who live in peace and joy, give a prayer and a tear for the crappie